This is what I'm going to teach you in today's tutorial. I know you all love the sun like I do and the things that brings to us from summer, brown skin, good energy. But sometimes it is really so hot, I wish I could do something like this to just snap the sun out of the sky. I don't like to talk too much, so let's get started with the tutorial. First, you need to record yourself walking and then jump like you are trying to catch something in the air. Then open CapCut, create a new project, and import the video when you are walking and jumping in the air. Then move to the moment where your hand reaches the highest point. Then click on Overlay, Add Overlay, and import the sun, which you can get on Pexels or Mixkit. You can also screen record this one. Next, you need to click on Blend and choose Filter. Now move the sun on the top where your hand is. Just shrink it a little bit and then click on Speed and set the speed around 0.2 seconds. Drag the sun to the beginning of the clip and click the first keyframe. Now let's stretch the timeline so we can be more precise. Now move the timeline forward slowly and reposition the sun so it follows your hand. Every time you will reposition the sun, the keyframe will appear automatically. Do that all the way till your hand goes into your pocket. On the last keyframe, click Opacity and leave it on 100%. And on the last keyframe, set the opacity on around 60%. Now mark the upper clip, click Split, and click on that little line between the clips. Choose Mix Transition, then click Adjust and set the brightness and exposure. Set brightness to around 25 and do the same for exposure. Then click on HSL and set the values like you see on the video. Now go on Graphs and try to copy my curve like you see it here. Now click on Overlay, Add Overlay, and import the video of the night star sky, of which I'm gonna leave you the link in the description. We will crop this clip a little bit because we don't want mountains to be on that video. Click Edit and then Crop, and resize the video so you don't see the mountains anymore. Now let's stretch the sky so the bottom part reaches the grass. Now click on Blend and choose Overlay. After that, click on Mask and choose Split and pull the yellow line almost to the grass. Pull down also the two arrows so we can blend the sky and the background a little bit. After that, don't forget to pull the sky clip on your left. Let's check all together how it looks now. Now the last thing we want to do is add some music. But because I don't want to be banned from YouTube and any other social media where I want to post this video, I'm using Epidemic Sound, where I can choose from thousands of royalty-free music. If you wish to try it for free, I will leave you a link in the description for 30-day free trial. Go to Audio, Sounds, click on that folder up there, from Files, and I'm gonna choose one song that I previously downloaded from Epidemic Sound. Hit that plus icon to add the music to the video, and we are done. Let's check our end result.